Importing files into your system is often chaotic. Receiving 15 different versions of the same Excel file, manual corrections in long spreadsheets, frustrating your customers because they do not understand your technical constraints, writing Python or PHP scripts to adapt the data, spend hours in support and delay file integration or data migration. That's a waste of time for you, your customers, and your technical teams, and frustrating too. With WeTransform, your partners drop their file, we detect its format, clean it, and transform it. Whether it is mapping data to your list, transforming it when it needs complex extractions, or having your customers or partners make their own rules with prompts in natural language. The result? You accelerate data onboarding by 80%. You save time and frustration to your customers. You reduce support and development costs. Safely embed it into your application. We're compliant RGPD. Receive any data feed transformed into your format instantly.